Hello, my name is Ronak Das. I'm from the US and I'm recording this video on March 19th, 2024. Thank you for joining today's presentation on the Microsoft data leaks that occurred on January 12th, 2024. Today, I'll share insights into the significant cybersecurity incident, analyze the technology behind the failures, and provide recommendations to help prevent similar breaches in the future. On January 12th, 2024, Microsoft experienced a significant data leak, which raised alarms across Microsoft and the cybersecurity community alike. The leak involved the unauthorized exposure of sensitive information, including login details of senior staff and confidential company information associated with these accounts. During this month-long attack, approximately 100 accounts were compromised before the attack was detected. Over 25 terabytes of confidential data was also leaked. Though the leak size was minor compared to major data breaches, adversaries had potential to do much more significant damage by potentially leaking the documents directly onto the internet. The cyber attack method used to perform this breach was password spraying, where the adversaries use a small list of common passwords with a large list of known usernames. Since they breached Microsoft through a legacy test application, account security was not of the staff's utmost importance at the time, which the attackers exploited. To avoid detection, the group compromised accounts over long periods of time, which did not raise red flags on Microsoft's part for many months. It's important to note that the breach itself was not a fail in Microsoft digital security infrastructure, but rather in the application itself. After the leak, data was logged back to the attacker's own proxy servers. No intelligence has been found or declassified regarding what happened to this data. The group behind this attack most likely sent the data back to their own government, as they have done with past breaches. Fortunately, the adversaries did not gain access to user or customer data. This incident still prompted Microsoft to further implement modern security standards to legacy applications, even when updates may cause disruptions. The group behind this attack, Midnight Blizzard, previously known as Nobelium and referred to as APT29 by Google, is a nation-state funded hacker group based in Russia. Their motivations have been shown to be centered around espionage and illicit intelligence gathering for the Russian government. Midnight Blizzard was also involved or associated with the Microsoft Azure, Hewlett Packard Industries, and the infamous SolarWinds data leaks. These breaches were considerably larger than the January 12th breaches. However, it highlights the reach of the group across multi-million and billion-dollar companies. Over the months of the attack, the attackers followed specific steps repeatedly to gain access to multiple accounts. First, they located a legacy and test non-production tenant in Microsoft's domain that was available to the public. Since this was a test application, it did not have modern security features. Using proxy servers in their region, the attackers utilized password spraying to gain access to staff accounts. In password spraying, adversaries have a small list of common passwords with a large list of recorded emails. Using this data, they pass usernames with these passwords, gaining access to as many accounts as possible. In this sense, it is opposite to traditional brute force attacks, in that the usernames are mainly switched instead of the passwords. Once a considerable amount of accounts were compromised, the attackers generated a new secret key in order to create an admin account in the test tenant. With this account, they had virtually unlimited access to Microsoft's virtual environment. With the admin account, The attackers created a malicious authorization application to impersonate Microsoft staff. All cyber attacks, much like this one, are preventable. The most obvious safeguard against this would counter password spraying itself. This can be done by requiring unique passwords not found in data leaks, limiting login attempts and locations, and enforcing multi-factor authorization. Secondly, malicious applications can be countered by deleting test applications when not needed and updating legacy applications as soon as possible. Also, performing regular and automated audits on applications is recommended. Other security measures most likely already performed by Microsoft are automated security testing, implementing highly durable infrastructure, and finding a security minded balance between security and usability in passwords and other security rules. In conclusion, the Microsoft data leaks on January 12, 2024 show the critical importance of robust cybersecurity measures. This incident highlights the vulnerabilities even major tech companies face and the significant impact of such breaches. Key lessons include the need for proactive security measures, robust encryption, continuous employee training, and an effective incident response plan. By learning from this event, we can strengthen our defenses and better protect our data. To find more information on this specific cybersecurity incident, you can find more information at the following links, one of which is a news article and two of which are official Microsoft blogs. Thank you for your attention.